Hello friends, today again I will be discussing about another topic which is file. Now how to write something and read something from file. For that thing we need to declare a structure pointer file like this in a program like this. This is a pointer to a structure file which is declared here in studio. It's a library structure. To open a file, fopen, file name, mode of opening. Here simple read and write is only required generally. Mode, this many modes are there: write, read, append, read plus, all have their different characteristics, but generally read and write is enough. So fopen, file name, mode, and fclose is opposite of that, because if you open something you have to close it, otherwise resource will be allocated. Now how will the program be knowing when file reading has ended? For a text file, two types of file are there: text and binary. For text file, how will the program be knowing? Text file is generally terminated by a UOF. UOF have ASCII value of 26. Every character has an ASCII value, like 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, all have their corresponding ASCII value, and UOF ASCII value is 26. Okay. In text file, 1 is kept as character 1, not as a bit 1. When we write int x equal to 5, what happen actually, in the memory block of 4 bytes, 5 is kept not as a character but represented as a bits. Okay, 4 byte bits will be there which will evaluate to 5. But if I write 5 in a text file, it will be kept as a character 5. Okay, so character also, when we write char c equal to a, what actually happen is ASCII value of a is kept in that byte. Okay, ASCII value of a is 65, I think, will be kept in bit format in that byte. Okay, so there is a maximum of 254 characters, 255 characters. Okay, so because one byte can only keep a maximum of 255, 0 to 254, 0 to 254 or 255 characters. Okay, so how text file and binary file are different? Text file is always ended by a UOF character. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 will always be kept as character, it will not be kept in bit format, and new line is kept as /r/n. If I give a /r and want to output that thing in a file, it will be kept as this. Okay, so let's see by an example. This simply is fopen, first execute it. Okay, if I things got executed means no output is there, it's only put. If I do this, read is already there. What actually the program is doing, first fopen read.text. So this is a read.text. This file contains this. It is also a C program, but text format I am keeping it, so not .c format, so you cannot compile it or anything. This is just a text file. Okay, so each and every line it will read and output and put it in some other file. Then fopen write.text. If the C program fails to open the file for any reason, fw will be, this file pointer will be null. Okay, file cannot be opened like that. Okay, so we first open the file. If it can be opened, control comes to So to write the file, a file where it will be writing, both mode is R W R. If it is a binary mode, RB. If it is a text mode, it should be RT. But if I don't give anything after R, it means T. Assume to be by default is T. If I don't give anything, it means T. Now within while, character by F gets C, FR. Character by character, it is just reading one by one. If the character is EOF, break out of the while loop. It's an independent while loop, while one. If it is not EOF, put C character FW. It will just going to write in the write file. Okay. After that, it will going to close. The moment it will going to close, escape that 26 ascii value EOF character will be given after the last character in the file. Okay. Now if we open that thing, this is the write dot text. It will going to open like this. So it's exactly the same, but by character we read. See, write and read are all exactly the same. Here I am just reading and writing character by character, not line by line. Okay. In this program, same thing I will do, but here I will be doing it. Let's delete the write first. Same thing I will be doing, but this time line by line, not character by character. Okay. So while I know that the maximum line that is there is 100, less than 100, so I took it 199. F gets FR. FR is from the file where I want to read. Open the file here, same way, previous way. So FR points to the file to be read. If it is not equal to null, then okay, F gets return a null if it cannot read anything. F puts FW string to F. After that, a new line character. Okay, till a new line, things will be read. After that, it will be put in F puts. Okay, F puts FW. So it will go on doing till it is none. The moment end of the file will be read, it will become null. So outside while loop, it will come out and it will terminate. So execute this program first. See, because of the new line character, this thing happened. Otherwise, space also came out because of the new line character. Otherwise, if I remove this new line character from here, see, okay. So string by whole line you want to take, if gets have to be used, character by character, gets C can be used. Now file IO. Previously we are just printing the output to the screen. Now instead of that, if I want to do it in a file, what to do? Here I will be opening a, let's execute this program first. name as okay. What actually I am doing here, I am just opening a file pointer, a character string, a string I declared. After that, printf age name 5 times. I will be taking input from the screen and putting it in a file fw. Okay, fw I have opened here. I don't need to read here anything. I am just outputting. So input that I have taken from the screen, I am just putting in the text file, text.txt. I will be putting it here. I am taking the input. These are all the inputs. One by one I put that thing in the text file. After that I close the file because it's done. It's always good to close the file after usage, otherwise allocation of resource is unnecessary. Okay, now again fopen, then fscanf not equal to uof. Uof is the end of file because it's a text file, it's by uof. So fr percent instead of from the this time here I have taken the input from the screen, okay, from the input keyboard, but here I am taking the input from the file. fr is pointing to text.txt. So whatever I have put in the file here, I will be reading it back. So fr, it will be pointing to text.txt. Here also is text.txt. I have outputted in text.txt, so I am reading that thing from text.txt only. Not equal to f print. I am just reading it back and putting it back in the printf output. See, RTY 78, RTY 78, 56, 89, 89, 45, 45, 60, 60. So here instead of outputting in the screen, I can directly put it in the file. But one problem is here, no character. I cannot put in 26 like this. If I put in 26, it may be a problem. Okay, 26 also can be put in. Okay. 26 also can be put in. Let's try it by an example. This also can be put in. So this way it can be used. Okay, if I see the file in here, it will be shown like this. Okay, so file can be used as a database here like this. Now binary file, I want to keep, if I don't want to put text as text, here the main problem is it is kept as text. 1 2 3 4 is kept as 1 2 3 4 as text. I want to keep it as a bit in binary format. Okay, whatever it is, I will be keeping it like that. If it is a huge number, 20 number, it will take much more less space in binary format than text format. For that thing, binary file. Here also is the same thing, fw. I am opening as in the write mode because it's a binary. I have to write specifically b. This is a structure. I'm just taking two input and outputting it in the file itself, but the file this time will be binary. We will not be able to see the content of this file. After that, just reading it back to see whatever we have given is correctly kept or not. Okay, so execute this file. Name age. Okay, what I did is 5 employees. Here scanf I did one by one. I took the input and put it in with fwrite function in the file fw. Okay, for 5 times 10 employees I did. After that fw I close. Then again text I read it back. Okay, with text I opened it. Then again with fread till it is successful in executing, it will return 0. Fread, if can read something from the file, return will be 0. So first line it will be getting something from the file, so it will be 0. So not, so that anything which it will not be 1. Sorry, fread if can read something from the file, it will be non-zero. So it will become false equal to 0. No, it will become false. So not before that it become true. These two line executed. So I just entered the name and age and just read it back. Entered it and read it back. Okay. The main now binary file don't have such limitations that /n will be made as n, number stored as character, end of file will be UF. There you don't have such limitations. Whatever you give will be kept in same way at a binary format. Okay, and you cannot even read back what you wrote, what you have the text.text I can read it back, but this only text I cannot even read because all are binary format. Space will be much more less here. Okay, these are different mode. Only R means text format, RB means binary format. So anything if is a binary want to do WB plus, it will be taken as binary. Okay, this is all in this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe it. If you don't, please put in the comment.